Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by building flavor quickly. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil until it shimmers, then add the finely diced onion. Sauté on low so it softens without browning. This releases sweetness. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves and cook 30-45 seconds until fragrant. Stir in the 28-ounce crushed tomatoes, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tsp sugar to tame acidity. Once combined, simmer gently so the flavors begin to marry. Don't rush this, slow heat gives depth. Once the base is simmering, you adjust seasoning and texture. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste for concentrated umami, plus 1 tsp each dried oregano and dried basil, crushed red pepper if you want heat. Keep it at a low simmer for 12 to 20 minutes so water evaporates and thickness increases. If the gravy will be used cold under toppings, blend briefly for smoothness. If you want rustic texture, mash with a spoon and leave some chunks. Taste and correct salt. You finish by smoothing and balancing. Stir in 1 tablespoon olive oil for sheen and mouthfeel, plus a teaspoon balsamic vinegar or a pinch of sugar if the sauce still tastes flat. Let the gravy cool to room temperature. It will thicken as it cools and become easier to spread on dough. If it's too thin, return to the pan and reduce. If too salty, balance with a touch of sugar or dilute with a little water. One troubleshooting tip: sourness can be softened with a tiny baking soda pinch. Use sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.